Welcome to Deep South. I'm Wanda, and this is the big reveal. This is my pantry cabinet that Danny built in our dining room. As you saw in the previous clips, he was working on it. We did have a little small hutch right here, and this whole wall was vacant except for that hutch. So we needed somewhere to put food, jars. We have the cellar, and the cellar was full. And I had all this dining room jars that we had canned this year all over the place, all over the floor. So what Danny did, he built this cabinet, and then Amanda from Freedom Acres has been helping me. I've been going up and down stairs, bringing the old stuff that was down in the cellar up to here. Now all the stuff that's in the dining room was new stuff, is going down to the cellar. Then Heidi Lori came over and she helped me for a day. This is 3 days of Amanda helping me one day, Heidi helping me one day, and me doing it by myself one day, and then Amanda coming back helping finish it out. So we have been making trips up and down to the cellar. All this is 2015, 16, and 17. I still have some of those years down in the cellar, but this is the majority of the older stuff. What we're doing is putting our newest 17 and 18 in the cellar, and anything that's any older up here. Okay, so all this is the older stuff. We want to be using it first, and that way I don't have to go to the cellar a lot. It's right here. We use this, we go down to the cellar, get more, and replace it. Eventually Danny's going to put doors here, but for now I just like looking at it. Don't you think that's beautiful? Isn't it awesome? Okay, so this side here, most of it is meat. Down on the bottom I have the lard that we cooked out, then we have meats, tomatoes, and sweet potatoes. The center, we have some butter down on the bottom, then we have our green beans, squash, English peas, okra, carrots, potatoes, and peas and beans. So mainly veggies in the middle. Then the last part down here, on the bottom is our jellies and jams, because I don't use them that often, so I put them lower. Then we come up with jellies, jams, peaches, figs, apples, pears, and these top two are miscellaneous of whatever. I have some potatoes, my red hot pickles that I made. I have peanuts, greens, and turnip roots. We have beets. We have pickled peppers. We have relish and pickles. So all that is kind of a miscellaneous of things. Out of all this, you can make quite a few meals. So Danny thought of just about everything, even a plug-in at the very bottom. There was one on the wall behind it, and we needed one in the floor, so if we need to plug something in, like a vacuum cleaner or anything like that, we do have a plug-in on the front of this case. We're going to continue on cleaning out the dining room, setting everything up. My goal is to have my dining room cleaned up and ready for Thanksgiving. I've still got sweet potatoes to can. We've still got about 20 cases of jarred food to go down to the cellar. With all the trips we've been making going down, we've been taking cases down. And then we've been bringing cases up. We still have nearly 20 cases to go down. That shows you how much I had canned in this dining room. And we still have probably 3 cases to do of sweet potatoes, and probably about a case of Irish potatoes to finish out. And then we're going to be making cane syrup this week. So the cane syrup will go in jars. I was going to show you on top, I put all the empty jars. That gets them out of my floor. So guys, the big reveal, what do you think? Wouldn't you like one? I think Danny did an awesome job. So thank you, Danny, and thank you guys from Deep South Homestead.